Here are some things you need to know kung pupunta kayo sa Ocean Park Aqua Adventure. Ang Ocean Park Aqua Adventure ay located sa Manila Ocean Park, Ermita, Manila, and open sila from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. pag Monday to Friday and 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. naman pag Saturday, Sunday, and holidays. For the admission tickets, pwede kayong mag-book sa Klook for 360 pesos each at para mas makatipid kayo, gamitin nyo ang promo code na WITHATZN Klook to get exclusive discounts. Meron na kayong access niyan sa buong water park at sa mga water activities for the whole day and I suggest na sulitin nyo na kasi one-time entry lang yan. Pag lumabas na kayo, hindi na kayo pwedeng pumasok ulit. May dalawang activities dito, yung bike ramp at fish pa na may ekstrang bayad pero optional lang naman yan. Kung manghihiram naman kayo ng towel, merong rental fee na 30 pesos and kung may dala kayong gamit na bawal sa loob or ayaw nyo na dalhin sa loob, pwede rin kayong mag-rent ng locker for 30 pesos. Make sure to wear proper swimwear kasi meron silang dress code for the safety na rin ng mga guests. Outside food and drinks are not allowed pero meron namang bilihan ng pagkain sa loob kung gusto nyo kumain. Ayun lang, follow for more travel vlogs, itinerary, tips, and guide. Salamat!